So I want to show you something real quick. So yesterday I put the new dome port, the Outex dome port, on my Z7, and I'm actually going to go photograph fly fishing tomorrow on the river. That's one of the best things about the system, again, is if I want a different camera body in the underwater housing, I don't have to buy a whole new housing. So it's so much more portable and just versatile. So what I'm going to do is I already took off the back part, so I'm going to do kind of the opposite, do everything in reverse, pull the cover down, take the Z7 off. I'm going to put a Nikon D810 in here. And pull the cover back over. And then all I have to do is install the Nikon D810 eyepiece, which I brought with me, and that's super easy. And so I like to keep my back ports in beer koozies. And this is the attachment for the eyepiece for the Nikon D800. See? It's a circular eyepiece. So, now what I do is I just thread it in. Sometimes it's a little easier to pull the cover back. Okay. Don't thread it too far. I'm going to go back one. I just don't want it to tighten too much. Then put it together like you do with all the other ones, and you've changed out your camera. So I went from a 45 megapixel camera mirrorless to a 36 megapixel DSLR without having to buy a whole new house.